Okay, got my Dell computer case off. There's the Pentium 2 that's already in there. And here's the Pentium 3 that's in my hand. So this one had a fan on it at one point because you could see the two screw holes there. And that fan is held in by two screws. So when I get that thing out, which is going to be a big pain in the ass, I'll have to unscrew the screws that are holding that fan in place and put it on here. Okay, that was a big pain in the ass to get out, and I just got to get this fan off. Okay, fan is off. Got two long screws out. Got these little bolts here, or little washer-like things. All I have to do now is put the fan back on, and then put this thing in the computer. Hopefully it will work, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to go back to the Pentium 2s. Damn it. Out with the old and in with the new. CPU's in. Fan's a little bit loose, but who cares? Probably tighten the screws later on. Or like, it looks like it will stay in, doesn't look like it will fall out. So who really cares? So now, let's plug it in. Oh wow, it works. And it says it's an Optiplex G1 450, so the Pentium speed is 450 megahertz. The Pentium that was inside it before was a 266 megahertz Pentium 2, and when you would start the computer up, it would say G1 266L+. Well, now that you have the new CPU in, it says 450 megahertz Pentium 3 G1 450 L+. It's kind of booting up almost the same way as it did before. But you know, like, you put a new CPU in, it runs fast, but then you need to upgrade the RAM. But the heck, I'm gonna do that. You know, I think the Pentium 2s inside these computers were just fine. Like, they ran like a Pentium 3. There's no sound plugged in, so I'm not even going to bother with that. And I don't have a mouse hooked up, so who cares about that too. You can always do it the other way. There's option number 2, is using the keyboard. I don't know why it's booting up a little bit slowly. Like, it booted up really fast with a Pentium 2 inside it. That better not be a fake Pentium 3, or I'm gonna be really pissed off. Ugh. What the hell? Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Performance is a little slow, but who cares? And it says it's a... God, I don't have my glasses on. It says... Okay, I'm gonna get my glasses. It's a times 86 family 6 model, 7 stepping 3. So the 3 means Pentium 3. So yeah, it works. So the 2 Pentium 3s are in that box. We'll go inside that Dell and that Dell down there. And the extra Pentium 2s, I'll probably put the Pentium 2 inside the compact Presario tower. Not my lovely desktop. Never will I change any other parts inside. I already changed the CD player, and that's about enough. Well, I'm gonna have to change it again because instead of like hooking my laptops up to it, I can just burn a DVD and put all my songs on it and just stick a DVD player in there. So I'll put one of my crappy DVD players inside it and then play my music from that. So yeah, you all know that compact Presario tower inside the closet. It's the 5711, same one as the Maritime Man has. The Maritime Man has the exact same tower as me, but the problem is the door is missing. Mine has the door on it, but it doesn't click shut. So we put tape on it, just keep the door from swinging open. I hope I can upgrade the Pentium inside it. That'd be awesome.